Hey guys, hey dolls, it's your girl Valisa, and I'm back. It's been a while, I know, but I'm back. I'm back with Pia Sofia, and if you've been following me, you already know that I like to teach my kids how to survive because hair and makeup is expensive, girl. Hair and makeup is expensive, and my daughter has a pageant coming up, and I like to teach her how to do her own thing. I'm too broke. I'm too poor to pay for hair and makeup. So I like to teach my kids how to do their own. Sometimes it's nice to get spoiled and stuff, but if you can teach your kids how to do their own thing, it's a blessing. So yeah, that's how I look at it. Um, she has a pageant coming up, so I am teaching her how to do her makeup and how to do different techniques. And we're using new products. We started off with a setting spray of Clinique, and I have to say, so far, I like it. It is a setting spray, makeup setting day, very dry to dry combination and oily. I have been playing with it without makeup and with makeup, and I have to say it is very moisturizing. On Pia, she did had a more like a dewy finish. On me, and now, mind you, my daughter is dry, but not full, not dry to dry. She's more just dry on the cheeks. So combination to dry. Me, I'm also combination to dry, but lately I've been all over dry. But obviously the weather's gonna change, so that's why I'm still playing with the products. Okay, it's summer, so it did left us a kind of like a dewy finish. If you use a foundation with a matte finish, if you have used that, please let me know in the comment section how you like it, and also let me know how you like this setting spray. So far, I mean, it's not my favorite, but I'm still playing with it because I want to love it, because Clinique makes good makeup products. Like, they have really good makeup, and the setting spray so far. Now, I do like their primer, their moisturizer primer for the pores, because I have big pores. That I love. And the other one, the sheer one, that gives you like a highlighting, like a luminous look, I give that to Pia. Now, the setting spray, before I finish with the setting spray, it is alcohol free. It has 5% of all water, and like I said, it's good for hydration. So if you have very dry skin to dry, very dry, this is perfect for you. But if you have oily skin, I don't know. I would like to hear from you. I like to teach her how to do her eyes. She needs to learn how to use the proper brush, and definitely I'm going to talk about it in another video. If you want to hear that, let me know in the comment section. But you have to know the proper brush for eyeshadows. That's how you can build your eyes. So that's what I was teaching her, how to do different techniques to do her eyeshadow, because she is a little Asian. She has a little bit of Asian eyes, so, and I was trying to teach her how to do three colors in her eyes. So I was teaching her how to use different techniques, different brushes, and how to combine the colors together. We're using the eyeshadow by Estee Lauder, and it's Power Brunch. I think that's what it was. But anyways, these eyeshadow actually are new, and it's nothing like the older ones. I feel like the old eyeshadows are very drying. Okay, these are more softy and creamy, but very powdery. That's not the right word. Powder is eyeshadow, but it was very soft, like very soft. I like that. And the blush, it was Pink Kiss. It's also new. It's a new blush. All right. Now, I have to say, I love the new concealer of Double Wear Stay in Place. It is a lightweight. It comes with your personal wand. It's weightless, oil control, moisturizing, and it is a matte finish. Okay. On me, it was not a matte finish. On her, yes. On her skin, for some reason, it was a matte. For me, it was kind of like in between of matte and I had a little bit of sheer. Maybe it's because I was using a moisturizer that gave me that extra sheer because I have rosacea, so I use a lot of aloe and stuff like that. But it is full coverage. It is, and it leaves a. It's supposed to leave a natural matte finish, which it did on Pia. It did on Pia. I used on her. Now for everybody that I have been saying this a lot. When you use a concealer, you need to have a two concealers. One you can use for every day and just cover your dark circles if you haven't gotten no sleep, or if you have like a little scarring from acne, if you want to cover that too, or if you have rosacea, you want to calm down the color of your cheeks or whatever. That's the concealer you want to get, like your everyday concealer. Everybody has to have their everyday concealer. And then the other concealer is for highlighting, if that makes sense. So every time I buy concealer, I buy two concealer. One for my everyday and one for highlighting. So for the highlighting, I'm using 3W on her. And for her whole entire face, we're using 4N. I love this concealer because it is full coverage. It does last 24. Better believe it, it does. And it's lightweight, which I like because I don't like to feel too heavy. So I highly recommend this concealer for sure. When she was putting her lipstick, I noticed that she hated it. You're going to see it. It's coming right now. You'll see it. She hated it, the lipstick. She thought that she would love it, but she ended up giving it to her grandma. Every time we put makeup, a lot of the stuff that she's playing with are because they're new testers. I know how to clean the testers. Also, some of the stuff she does buy. And this lipstick particular, she hated it. Once she applied it, she was like, oh no, this is not the color that because sometimes when you're darker, the plummy, or it depends on the color, it can bright up or it can get a little bit darker. And the powerful lips is, I think it was powerful 20 powerful 220 lipstick from Estee Lauder. She didn't like it, so she ended up giving it to my grandma. But yeah, look. She hated it. She was like, oh no, she hated it. It was giving her Nicki Minaj, but she hated it. She didn't like it. She was like, I was not feeling it. I can see it by her face. She wasn't feeling it. But yeah, she's getting ready for her next pageant. She cannot wait. She's super excited. And she's smiling, but I know deep down she hated it. You can tell. She was like, look at her. She changed right away. The setting spray, like I said, I use it without makeup and with makeup. If you have tried, let me know what you like about it. Let me know if you have tried any of these products. And yes, you guys, until my next video. Bye, guys. And pray for my girl. We're going for Miss Florida. Ideal Miss Florida. Hopefully we can get it.